Hey everyone, I needed to add a quick little edit here to the beginning of this video. Um, I recorded this 2 days ago, completely forgot to upload it. So, oops on me, I guess. Um, but yeah, just, you know, just a quick little edit, so enjoy. Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got another unboxing for you. Um, I got a headset today for my Xbox, and I'm gonna unbox that for you here. I got a Razer, what is this? Blackshark X V2, and we're gonna take a look at it. Got a little piece of paper here, and the manual. And so here we go. Comes with a little carrying bag. That's nice. And here is the headset. That looks really nice. I really like that. So here's going to be the wires, and this is the microphone. That's your volume knob and mute button. That's a really nice looking headset. I will always recommend Razer. I have a Razer headset for my PlayStation, and I love it. Well guys, that was my short little unboxing of the Razer Blackshark V2, or Blackshark X V2. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and I will see you guys next time.